guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning this old crusty beauty blender that I've had for I believe maybe a year. It's been sitting in my bag for over a year. So I wanted to see if I could revive them and get all the bacteria out and just get all of that gunk out. So I'm going to be using my black soap, but you can actually use any type of soap to wash your beauty blender. This time around I just had black soap and it's the one I used to wash my face. So I just decided that it would be a good idea for me to use my black soap since it's what I use to wash my face. So anytime I just need to use the black soap, I just pour some water in the middle and mix it up to get some liquid in there, and I'll just be pouring that into the bowl and swishing that around and cleaning the beauty blender. So, oh my god, yeah, you know how I was telling you on Instagram that my lens camera just, I was so sad. Like, I freaking cried like a baby. But I'm going to try and take it to what's it called, B&H, to see if they can fix it, because everything is just blurry now. So I'll see if they can fix it and see what they can do about it. But yeah, I just switched that in there, and guys, look at that water. I don't even want to admit how long I've had this beauty blender for, but let's just say it's been a minute. But yeah, that water just looks nasty, and you don't want any of that stuff on your face, because that's how you start breaking out and you start getting pimples, and that's just not it. So now look at the beauty blender. From that dry thing, now it looks like it's a little bit clear in nice slow motion, so that you can see how dirty that water actually is. But yeah, so I'm just going to give it a wash, and then I wanted to do this because before I put it in the microwave, because I just wanted to make sure that when I finally put it in the microwave, it was actually deep cleaning it, and I didn't have to redo that process over and over again. Yeah, how are you feeling about this whole summer being over? Hot girl summer, not like my summer was hot girl, but well, summer is finally coming to an end. Boy, I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited because fall is literally one of my favorite seasons because of the fashion. But oh yeah, look at it. It's the water is a little bit clear now. So I'm going to be putting that in the microwave. And when you do this, please don't come on here and be like, oh, Tanuka said put your beauty blender in the microwave, and then I put it and then my beauty blender just went and broke. 1 minute. Only put it in for 1 minute. You don't want to put this in for longer, because I don't know what will happen. But as I said, I'd gotten this. Who did I see do it? Ronkeraji. Ronkeraji on Instagram did it, and only do it for 1 minute. So when she did it, I just wanted to see whether I would actually deep clean it, and it really did. I had lost all hope for this beauty blender. But yeah, look at it. It's getting cleaner and cleaner, and you see the water gets clearer and clearer. So when the water gets clear, that's when you want to that's when you know that your beauty blender is clean. Look at that. Look at that. Do you remember how it looked before? And look at how that looks now. And it's still soft and plush. And I'm guessing my own thought process is that okay, you put it in hot water, so that would kill off all the bacteria in it. So yeah, look at that water, nice and clear. And that's how you know that your beauty blender is clean, when you have it like clear. Again, guys, only 1 minute. 1 minute. And yeah, that's how you clean your beauty blender. It worked. So give microwaving your beauty blender a try. Like, I've had this for so long, as I said, but please make sure you are cleaning your beauty blender frequently and often. Often. You want to make sure you are cleaning that often. But yeah, so I'm squeezing it just to show you guys that, like, it's just discoloration on the beauty blender, but it's actually clean because the water is clear. But look at that, look at what it came out looking like. Nice and plush and soft. So have a good Friday tomorrow, y'all. The weekend is almost here. Enjoy.